So guys, my name is Bhavin. You are watching AutoRevs. Today I have come to take the delivery of the brand new Tata Tiago EV. In this video, I'll be doing a range test of the car. So let's quickly start off this video. Before starting the video, which next car, bike, scooter would you like to see on the channel? You can definitely let me know that. You can message me on Instagram. You can also write it down in the comment section and I'll make a video on the same. If you like watching videos in Hindi language, आप हमारा हिंदी YouTube channel AutoRevs हिंदी भी चेकआउट कर सकते हो. सारे लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं. Now let's quickly start off this video without wasting any more time. So guys, now let's quickly start off this video with the details of the car. Now the car is fully charged right now. I'll also share with you guys how I am going to basically do the range test of the car. Now here, as you can see, the car is fully charged right now. It is 100% charged and the odometer reading is 6576 kilometers. I have already set the trip meters to 0 right here. So here, as you can see, the trip A is 0 right here. The trip B is also 0 right here. From this particular point onwards, I'll start driving the car. The range which it is showing right here, it is 192 kilometers. Now this car gets 3 regenerative braking modes. So here you basically have the button. As soon as you increase the level, the range also increases. On level 1, it was 192 kilometers of range. On level 2, it is showing 197. On level 3, it is showing 200 kilometers of range. Obviously, when I'll start the car and I'll start the air conditioning system, the range might go a little down as well. So guys, now let's switch on the air conditioning system and let's see what kind of difference does it make to the range of the car. So here I have switched on the car. The air conditioning system is also on right now. Here, as you can see, the AC is on. The AC is on. And here, as you can see, on regeneration level 1, it is showing 173 kilometers of range. Let me increase the regeneration here. So here, as you can see, on level 2, it is showing 177 kilometers of range. On level 3, it is showing 180 kilometers of range. So definitely, as soon as you switch on the air conditioning system, the range definitely takes a hit. So it is showing 180 kilometers of range. The car is fully charged. Trip A and trip B are 0. From this particular point onwards, I'm going to drive the car. As soon as it hits 50% of battery, I'll stop the car and I'll check the kilometers that we have driven and I'll share the range with you guys. Now let's start driving the car and let's find out the practical range of the Tiago EV. So guys, I have driven the car for 33.7 kilometers and for that many kilometers the car has used 24% of battery level. So here, as you can see, it is 76% of battery that is left right now. It is showing 155 kilometers of range right here. The odometer reading is 6609 kilometers. The trip A, let me quickly show it to you guys, it is 33.7 kilometers. The trip B is also 33.7 kilometers. I have kept the regeneration on a level 3 and the AC is obviously continuously on. Here, as you can see, the car is right now switched on and the AC is also right now on. Here, as you can see. Now for the remaining 26%, I'll try to take it on the highway so that you get a better idea of the range of the car. So guys, now I'm on the highway. Here, as you can see, the air conditioning system is on right now. The battery, we have the car has utilized 34% of battery level. It is showing 66%. I'll be driving the car for the next 16%, and as soon as it hits 50% of battery level, I'll stop the car and I'll check out the range. Here, as you can see, the odometer reading is 6628 kilometers. Here, I'll also quickly show you guys the trip A and trip B. So here, as you can see, the trip A is 52.9 kilometers. So let's drive the car for the next 15% actually. As soon as it hits 50 kilometers, 50% of battery level, I'll stop the car and we'll get to know the range of the car. This is obviously going to be a mixed mileage test, range test of the Tiago EV. So guys, here, as you can see, the air conditioning system is on right now. The regeneration is on level 3 and the car has reached 51% of battery level. The car has utilized 49%. So there's only 1% to go now. And as soon as it hits 50% of range, I'll stop the car there and we can check out the practical range that the car has delivered. So guys, finally I have parked the car on the highway. Here, as you can see, the air conditioning system is on right now. As soon as I press the button, here it will switch off. So the AC is on. I have kept the regeneration on level 3 and finally the car has used 50% of battery level, and for that I have basically driven the car for 83 kilometers right here. As you can see, the trip A is showing 83 kilometers. Let me quickly show you guys the trip B as well. So the trip B is again 83 kilometers. I'll show you guys the odometer reading as well, which is 6659 kilometers. And here, as you can see, the trip A is showing 83 kilometers. So 50% battery has been utilized, and the car I have driven it for 83 kilometers, which means that on a full charge the Tiago EV you can drive it for 166 kilometers. Now let me tell you in which conditions, situations I have driven the car. Firstly, the regeneration was on level 3. Secondly, the AC was continuously on. Third, I have not really maintained constant speed. Fourth, 30%, the initial 30% I have driven it purely in the city, and the remaining 20% has been on a highway like this. And by the way, there were only 2 people on board. Right now I am alone in the car. So with that amount of load, the car has basically returned a range of 166 kilometers in total. For 50% I have driven it for 83 kilometers. How do you like the range? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it worse? What were you expecting? You can definitely let me know by writing in the comment section. I hope you guys loved the video. If you have any question, you can surely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. And you can stay tuned on the channel for more such videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.